Hello friends, Tony here, welcome. In this video, I have downloaded another application for to help us for coding. And if you go to t3.codes, we have T3 Code is the best way to code with AI. And this is an application from Theo. I think you know Theo from YouTube, which is very popular on code community. Now, if I have downloaded here. The next application I have downloaded is this Polycope from Laravel community. Also Codex from the OpenAI and the Claude Code. I think we have also from the Open Code an application I have downloaded, but let's see only the 4 here. The problem is, let's start first with the problem. If you go to T3 codes, we have only for Mac. The application is only for Mac. The same thing on the Polycope. If you go to getpolycope.com, we can download, but this application is only for Mac, and I don't know if it's going to have a release for Linux or Windows, because not every developer works with Mac. Also, if you go to Codex, the same thing. We have here download for Mac OS. The Cloud is offering also for Mac and Windows, which is what we need, I think. Also, we need it for Linux, because also we have developers working with Linux. So why not support all 3 operating systems? Now let's open this. Let's start with the T3 code. T3 code is here. And here we can add a project right here. We can browse the folder I have open, and here's the project, and we can click here and start and talking with this. We can choose the codex. What codex also for in T3, we can choose the Claude Code. We can choose a cursor. Also, we can choose here the Open Code directly, so we don't need to download the Open Code application, but Open Code, is a different application. And we have a support for Gemini. So T3 Code here is very good, so you can choose any provider. You can chat here, you can add action, open with code editor, and also commit and push and create a PR. Now if we see let's see the codex, which is similar, it's the same almost. We have also here skills. We can add a project in here. We can choose what GPT here. We can choose only the GPT models, and medium. Also we have here permission. We can switch branch. We can commit in here. We can open on the code editor. We can open the terminal, and we can see toggle the diff panel. The same thing also we have on that T3 code. We can toggle here the diff panel. But we have also this one, the Polycope, and when we work, because I work mostly with Laravel, the work with Laravel projects, I think this is the best choice, because when you create a worktree, this is going to link that worktree directly to Laravel Heart. So you can open, and also we have a button here to open a preview of that project, so you don't need to go and run the composer install manually, npm install, copy that .env file, or create a bash file to do that for you. So here automatically when you open that project and create a worktree, is going to automatically do that for you. So you just create a worktree and you can open a preview on that worktree. Next thing, we have the Claude Code, and here you have also a new tab for co-work, but we have also the code. Here select a folder. So what folder? So let's select this one. Okay, we have a worktree, as you can see, is in the local. and we can choose only the Cloud Opus 4.6, Sonnet, and Haiku. We can, for permissions, new thing is we can create a schedule, so schedule tasks. But yeah, it's almost the same. T3 code is only better if you want to work also with multiple providers. But I don't think many developers have subscription to Codex, subscription to Cloud, subscription to Cursor, Gemini, and so on. Maybe 1 or 2 subscriptions are enough to create and work with projects. That's it all about this video, what I wanted to show you. We have this T3 code, and the same we have also other applications, so we have multiple choices to choose and work with AI, which I think in this direction is going coding right now. We just talk with an AI, we just see what the AI have done, and if we want to make some changes, again we tell the AI do that change, and barely we are going to touch the code with a code editor. Now, if you like such a videos, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like the video, share with your friends, and see you in the next one. All the best.